How could such things be? How could it be that someone can say that they learned the entire Shas but still desecrate Hashem's name on a regular basis? How could it be that somebody can say they learned enough to become a rabbi but still be someone that's immoral? How could it be someone that has learned a lot of Musar books but still be addicted to wasting seed and immorality? How could such things be? Nothing happens. They'll watch a Musar lecture and still remain the very same animal they were, and sometimes an even more dangerous animal. You read the book, you watched the lecture, but nothing got into you. You know the information, but nothing got into you. That's why anger was still there. That's why stinginess was still there. That's why your ego is still bigger than the equator. That's why you still think that you're better than everybody else, despite going through the entire Igeret HaRamban that is all about how you should make your friend, your fellow, greater than you in your own eyes, and realize that it's you that needs to do work, not necessarily him first. You recite these things to your friends, to your family, but yet you yourself don't even think it applies to you. How could it be? Because the person reads, and that's where it ends. Because knowledge alone of the difference between good and bad is not enough. A person must make sure that they actually take their teachings much more seriously, where they have to mentally prepare themselves to the learning, where they're looking for diamonds, and they're looking to buy those diamonds at any price. Let's not continue listening to shiurim without kavanah. Let's not continue reading books without kavanah. Let's not continue looking for something to calm us down. Let's not continue lying to ourselves and think that we have done enough. All of us have to do tshuva. Whether you are a new Baal tshuva or you're frum from birth. Whether you are a Talmid in yeshiva, an avrech, or a rabbi. If you're alive, it's time to do tshuva.